Oh, well, I was referred by my girlfriend, Cherie Griffiths Dunn, and she's like, Roya, I'm getting a lot of money in here and I'm helping a lot of people. And I was like, what is this? What are you talking about? And so I peeked in, I'm like, is this for real? Gosh, is this, so what I have experienced is this is seriously what everyone is saying. It's a supportive environment, empowering other women, competing is eliminated and comparison. It's really about collection. It's the epitome of what I believe in. You guys don't believe in competing for a seat, but making a bigger table. And it's rare to find an environment that doesn't just talk about that, but they really be about that. And so I found that it's an environment that will allow me to take my $130,000 of self-improvement investment and self-development to come to a place where you have collected standout women. You guys are standouts and you don't rest on that being enough. You want it in all areas of life and to be elevated. And so I find it a perfect platform to serve.